Check out this 2009 Nissan Murano. This is a very nice '09 Nissan Murano SL. This one is well equipped with a power seat, aluminum wheels, a cruise control, power windows, power door locks with secure keyless entry, M-Fathom per candela and much more. You couldn't ask for a smoother running engine and transmission. This Murano runs like it was very well taken care of. It has gone through a very rigorous inspection process and would make a great vehicle for family trips or just a fun daily drive to work. It's also 5-star crash-rated vehicle. Don't wait and miss it. Call now for your most professional buying experience ever. Print this ad to lock down your special internet incentives. Special financing options may be available at your request as well. We verify the market daily and price our vehicles very aggressively in a nationwide as well as our local internet markets. Come see one of the largest and most diverse inventories in Southeast Texas. Please call us for more information. The special internet price is $22,589. Contact the dealership today at 409-833-7100.